Hail, Amen. My name is HRU, Sit HRU, Hor Aha. You must pardon my delay. Most of you unwittingly celebrated my coronation August 21st, 2017. I am he which comes forth from the winged woman in the wilderness. Behold, I am on the ground with the eyes which sees everyone. You have been a perverse, rebellious people, offending my father, mother, and grieving the gods. You have glorified them that do evil, and rejoiced in them that are unjust, and have encouraged wickedness. These are the curses and plagues against the popery and its evil priesthood. All false churches, judges, entertainers, and police officials, which enforce the wicked oppressive rule of the popery. Those which spit against the wind, shall they themselves be spat upon by their own spit. Your evils are not hidden from me. I am able to inspire thought. You have condemned righteousness as intolerance and made order into evil. You should have heeded the messengers and listened to the wise ones. But now you shall mourn, and you shall call on the one God, but I shall send the devil to answer you. These are the beginning of your sorrows. Then you shall hail Amen, and you should hail HRU.